guys, welcome to Uff Ye Padhai. I'm Lavanya and today I'll be teaching you the difference between the verb kommen and wohnen in German. So kommen versus wohnen. Before we go ahead, I first written the conjugation for your reference. Ich komme, du kommst, sie es kommt, ihr kommt, wir, sie that they one and the capital Z formal U, kommen. Ich wohne. Du wohnst. Sie es wohnt. Ihr wohnt. Wir, sie wohnen. So, if you look at directly at the meaning, common means to come from and wohnen means to live. Now I'll explain the difference. Common basically refers to the native place, the native country where you were born. So, common, it's about the native place. Whereas wohnen, it's about where you are currently living. I'll give you an example for it. For example, Tina kommt aus Deutschland und sie wohnt in Indien. Right? So Tina's native place is that she belongs to Germany. She comes from Germany. That's her native place. But where is she currently living? In India. Now it can be anywhere. India, for example, in Mumbai, anywhere. Now we need to focus on the prepositions also being used. With common, we use aus. With wohnen, we use in. Right? And the Wayfrage. So the second point is the preposition. Das ist aus und in. Now the third thing is Wayfrage. For common, the Wayfrage is always woher. And for wohnen, it's wo. So now in this case, Tina kommt aus Deutschland. Woher kommt Tina? Okay? And over here, wo wohnt So over here you must be wondering preposition वगैरह, but over here doesn't make sense also. Aus basically means from. So Tina comes from Germany. She belongs to Germany. She lives in India or in Mumbai. So this question, wo wohnt Tina? Where does Tina live? You know, where does she come from? Where does Tina come from? Right? So I hope this is very clear. It's about the native place. It's about currently living. Now, sometimes common can be used interchangeably also. How? When there's an example, for example, person's native place is same as the person living currently over there. Now, in this sentence, Ria comes from Mumbai. It depends on the context also. And if Ria is a person who was born in India, who was born in Mumbai only and lives in Mumbai only. So instead of saying that Ria won't in Mumbai, we can also use the sentence Ria kommt aus Mumbai. That's because the native place as well as the place where she is currently living is the same, right? And common is not only used for telling the native place. It can be simply used the way we use in English, to come. For example, if someone is saying that I'm coming, like I'm coming to the classroom, I'm coming over there. Ich komme. That means I'm coming over there. So it's not always about the native place, right? So let's quickly revise it. What was the thing? First thing was about the meaning. Common is for native place. Wohnen is for currently where you're living. Second is about the prepositions being used. In common we have aus. In wohnen we have in. The wave fragger for common is woher, and for wonen it is wo. And this I've told you the usage. So this was it for common and wonen. I hope you have understood this concept very well. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos. See you in the next video. Bye bye.